Hey there! Are your videos not getting enough views? The secret to ranking higher on YouTube and Google is SEO, or search engine optimization. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what SEO is and why it matters for your content. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Simply put, it's the process of making your videos or website easy to find on search engines like Google or YouTube. Good SEO helps your content reach the right audience and get more views. Search engines use algorithms to decide which content to show first. They look at keywords, video titles, descriptions, engagement, watch time, and more. By optimizing these factors, your content is more likely to appear at the top of search results. Without SEO, even the best content can go unnoticed. With proper SEO, your videos get discovered naturally. You attract the right viewers, and your channel grows faster without paying for ads. Some quick SEO basics. Use your main keyword in the title. Write a clear keyword-rich description. Add relevant tags. Create a catchy thumbnail. Keep viewers watching by engaging them in the first 10 seconds. That's a quick introduction to SEO. Start applying these tips today and watch your content rank higher. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips and comment below with your favorite SEO trick.